Here's I'm in Edit tab and I added my video clip in timeline. I'll blur this nameplate of this car. Let's see how to do it. So first of all, move this playhead and select the first frame from where you want to blur your clip. Once you selected the exact frame, then go to the color tab. In here, you have to select this window tool. Now go ahead and select a shape to blur your subject. So if you have a circle shape that want to blur, then you can just select this circle shape. So I'm selecting this rectangle shape and simply adjusting this shape. You can click this little white dot to adjust the shape according to your subject. Okay, once you're happy, then go to this tracker tab and here click on track forward. This will track your selected portion from entire video clip. Once tracking completed, now go to this blur tab and here increase this radius, and then I'm going to edit tab and let's play our video. And that's how you can actually blur a part of video